Hey guys, this is DaLorean, and in this video we're going to take a look at 5 large companies that are always hiring for legitimate remote jobs. And they have a bunch of work from home positions available right now. So if you're looking for an online job, you'll definitely want to stick around for this video. And by the way, if you're on the hunt for remote job leads that will allow you to work from home, whether that be full-time career positions or side hustles for just some extra money, then start your search by hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay, let's have a look at these companies. Okay, so the first company that we're going to look at is a company called Zapier, and they are an online service that allows you to integrate the web applications you use to automate your workflows. And they are a 100% work from home remote company with 500 plus employees in over 38 US states and over 39 countries. So that means that they have worldwide positions and all of their positions are work from home. To find their job positions that are open right now, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and at the very bottom you'll see right here it says jobs. So you'll click on jobs, and before we click on the job openings, let's just scroll down and see what it's like to work for the company Zapier. So freedom and flexibility, they're spread across 17 time zones and dozens of countries. They are all about diversity, inclusion, and belonging, learning on and offline. So you'll start your role with an immersive remote onboarding experience to learn about the product culture and the business. And if we scroll down just a little more, you'll see they have a few articles of what it's like to work remotely with them. And here are some of the benefits of working for Zapier. Work from anywhere, competitive salary, unlimited vacation policy, great healthcare, dental, and vision coverage, retirement plan with company match, stock options, 2 annual company retreats to awesome places, 14 weeks paid leave for new parents, home office setup stipend, which is awesome. I actually read into some of the positions here, and it says that an Apple laptop is provided and additional budget or other work from home office accessories and software provided as well. So that's super awesome. And then they have professional development allowance. And down here, they talk about their hiring process. And all the way at the very bottom, you can see all of these positions that are open right now. So they have accounting and finance, engineering, lots of engineering roles, insights and design, a lot of marketing roles are down here. They have people, recruiting, sales, there's customer service down here. So there's tons of different jobs down here. Now they have over here, you do have to pay attention because they do say some of them are for America, some of them are for EMEA. So just make sure you pay attention to where the position is offered for. So we can just scroll up a little bit and maybe we'll just go into one of these and see what they look like here. So here's content specialist. This is in the marketing field. So if you are really good at writing or you're really good at writing content, this is a really good job for you to look into, and then you can just apply right over here on this side. So definitely have a look at Zapier for lots of remote positions that are available right now. Okay, so the second company that is always hiring for remote positions is GoDaddy, and GoDaddy is a very popular internet domain registrar and web hosting company. People come to GoDaddy if they want to start a website. They're the world's largest web services platform with over 9,000 employees worldwide. Now, to get to their jobs, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and right over here, right under About GoDaddy, you're going to see careers. So click on careers, and they have 210 jobs available, 31 locations, and of course, one big GoDaddy team. So you can scroll down a little bit, and before we open up the See Open roles, you can scroll down a little and just kind of read about what it would be like to work for GoDaddy. They have 9,000 employees across 47 global locations. And one of the really cool things that I read about with working with GoDaddy is that they do encourage you to continue your own side hustles because they love entrepreneurs. And so they love to see people that have their own side hustles. So that's really nice. So if you scroll down just a little bit further, it looks like they have customer care positions. They have technical positions. There are corporate positions, and they actually have positions that are for interns or people that just graduated college. So you can look into those as well. So let's click on See Open Roles and see what they have available here. Now, before you enter anything into here, I'm going to give you guys a tip. When you're looking for remote positions, you can usually type in the word remote right here when you're searching for a keyword. But for this position, they actually have their own drop down here for remote opportunities. So we're going to open up that drop down and we're going to hit true. And now that just filtered this to 158 remote positions. So you can scroll through here and see tons of options available. Here's one in Germany. There's one in here that is a website, tech support sales. So there's a technical writer. There's so many positions in here. Lots of engineering positions. And looks like there are 11 pages worth of remote positions here. So if we were to just click on one of these, let's click on the Senior Workday Configuration Specialist. One thing to pay attention to is that you need to make sure that you read each job description carefully, because some of them are only available in certain states in the US. And some of them may be a hybrid remote position where you will sometimes go into an office and sometimes be remote. This one actually is a remote position, so you'll be working remotely from your home. This one is not eligible to be performed in Alaska, Mississippi, North Dakota, or the Virgin Islands. So again, make sure that you read each job description carefully to make sure that where you live is not excluded. So if you scroll down a little, of course, you can read about each position and what they are looking for, what you're going to be doing. And it does give you a salary range, which is awesome. It's always nice when a job position actually gives you the salary range. So head over to GoDaddy.com to check out their available remote positions. Okay, so the third company that is always hiring for remote work from home positions is a company called Cafe Media. Now, Cafe Media is the world's largest ad management service. If you see ads on a high traffic bloggers or digital influencers website, there's a good chance that those ads are powered by Cafe Media, especially if it's a food or recipe type of blog. To get to their jobs, you can see right up here at the top, you're going to go to careers and you can read a little bit about what it's like to work for Cafe Media. We're just going to scroll down just a little because a lot of this is them describing what Cafe Media is and what they do. So down here it says diversity and inclusion. They are a diverse and inclusive team where everyone is welcome. And here are their benefits and perks. Home office and wellness stipend. It's always nice when they give you a home office stipend. Getting yourself set up to work from home is not cheap. Things add up. So it's always nice when you get a stipend for this. They have competitive pay and a benefits package, including 401k matching, flexible time off, paid family leave for bonding and volunteer opportunities, charitable giving matches. Everybody works remotely from home or from one of their offices. And if you scroll down a little bit further, here are their job openings. So you're going to go over to location and pull down this drop down and you're going to select remote, and that will sort all of these to just the remote positions. So you can see all of these positions here. You have a community manager, customer success specialist, you've got an editorial lead. It looks like there are affiliate commerce, a few more engineer positions. If you guys are noticing a trend here, there are always positions open for software engineering. So if you're a software engineer or if you're looking into figuring out what line of work you want to go into, look into software engineering because everybody needs a software engineer. Everybody has a website. Most people have apps. Everyone's going to need some type of a coding engineer. These positions are always available at most companies. Here's a bunch of software engineer positions here. You've got the UX designer. If you click on one of these, it gives you a little bit more information about the position. This one requires 3+ years of experience as a user experience designer, and you can read a little bit more about Cafe Media here. And this is where you can submit your application. So make sure you head over to Cafe Media to check out their remote positions that they have available right now. The fourth company that is always hiring for remote positions is a company called GitHub. Now, GitHub is something that pretty much every software developer knows about and uses. It's an online software development platform used for storing, tracking, and collaborating on software projects. So it basically enables developers to upload their own code files and collaborate with other developers. To find their positions, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and under company, you're going to go to careers. Okay, so once you get to their careers page, before we click on open positions, let's just read a little bit about what it's like to work for GitHub. They are a diverse and inclusive workspace. They lead from any location because GitHub is a remote-first company with offices located throughout the US, Europe, and Asia. And it says, whether you live near an office or not, GitHub believes you can do your best work from wherever you are. If you work remotely, you will receive a stipend to outfit your home office and receive recurring reimbursement refreshes. Over here, they say work happier. You can set your own work schedule and make use of the flexible PTO plan when you need a recharge. You can put your health and family first because you enjoy a 100% coverage of health insurance premiums across medical, dental, and vision plan offerings, including coverage for dependents. They also offer 5 months of paid family leave to all new parents with options to use it all at once or throughout the baby's first year. This is actually a really amazing thing because a lot of companies don't offer much paid family leave. If they do offer leave, it's unpaid. This is a really big deal to have 5 whole months of paid family leave. Unfortunately, the US is not like a lot of other places in the world that gives an entire 12 months of paid family leave for a new baby, but it looks like some companies are working on that. So 5 months of paid family leave is amazing. Find your Zen. GitHub provides a monthly wellness stipend designed to cover anything from gym memberships, massage, meditation apps, or any other wellness related expenses. Invest in your future. For full-time employees, they offer competitive 401k planning with a 50% company match up to the IRS 402 annual limit. Under their Keep Growing, it says from books to conferences, you'll get a yearly budget for your individual learning and development goals. They say we love our remote culture at GitHub, and we currently have hiring entities in all of the following states and countries. So we hire in all 50 states. There's lots of places in Canada, Europe, Asia Pacific. And if you scroll down a little bit further, now we get to the open positions. And look how many open positions they have, guys. 14 positions in business systems. They have design, 28 design positions. Look at all of these positions in design. And of course, engineering, like I said, software engineering is huge. 67 positions open for engineering. Finance has 6 openings, human resources, tons of remote positions, guys. 18 positions in marketing. All of these are remote. Here's one in Canada. Here's one in just remote in the US. You have remote in Europe. So these are worldwide positions. Lots of them are US, but there are ones that are for other countries as well. 106 positions in sales. So let's just click on one of these. Let's go to the Actions Sales Executive. So it looks like you can read a little bit about the company here. And then of course they tell you about what the position is like. Here's your qualifications, bonus points if you have these qualifications, and another amazing company here that gives you the salary range on their job listings. And to apply, you can go down to the bottom and you can attach your resume, or you can attach your LinkedIn profile. So make sure that you check out GitHub for all of their remote positions that they have open right now. And last but not least, we have the company called Discover. And you may already know that Discover is a well-known credit card company, but they also do online banking and loans. I actually didn't know that they did this. Discover is a huge company that is always hiring for remote positions. To get to their job positions, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And right here, you'll see careers. So click on careers. And instead of putting anything into these fields, go ahead and click search, leave everything blank and click search. And I'll show you why in just a minute. If you scroll down just a little bit, now it gives you the option to select remote working. Leave all of this blank and click on remote working. And now it will sort all of these positions into just the remote positions. You don't even have to put anything in here unless you want to select a certain location or something. Now we have all of their remote positions right here. It looks like they have 408 live roles available right now. So you can scroll through here, lots of positions here, lead data science analyst. They have a lead business data analyst, product manager, principal product owner, lots of positions here, all remote, product owner, lead software engineer. Again, there goes those engineer positions. And we have 17 pages worth of remote positions here. So let's just click on one of these and see what it says inside of the position. We'll click on this senior manager software engineering. This is a remote position. And if you scroll down just a little bit, it gives you the job description, of course, and it tells you the responsibilities that they want from you and the minimum qualifications, preferred qualifications, and you can apply for the position right up here in the corner. Now, if we scroll down just a little bit more, it says you'll fit right into our tech and engineering team. Thanks for flexible working. Our tech team can split their time between home and office or work 100% remotely. Want Friday afternoons off? No problem. With Summer Fridays, you can make up the time by doing an extra hour Monday through Thursday. So make sure that you head over to discover.com to check out their remote careers that they have open right now. So there you have it. Get your application in ASAP. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this next one. Thanks for watching. Happy work from home.